in. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, who immediately left from the national capital this morning as soon as news came in of this tragedy, has now reached the accident site in Siliguri. He's there to take stock of the situation, to understand from officials on ground as to exactly what led to this tragedy and the circumstances that led to 8 people dying in this tragic incident. On the right of your screens are the images from just a few moments ago where you saw Vaishnav, who had reached at the Bagdogra airport, then going to the accident site on a bike, travelling by bike because it's in a remote location that this accident has taken place. But Ashwini Vaishnav has now reached the location, has reached the accident site, where even as we speak, hours on, efforts are underway to clear the rail tracks. The debris is still being moved by NDRF and SDRF personnel who have been deployed on site there. And the Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav, will be taking stock of all of the work that is underway. We're hearing the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will also be headed there very soon, perhaps be meeting with those who've been rushed to a hospital with injuries. We've been told that about 25 to 30 people have been injured in this tragedy. None of them fortunately have suffered any fatal injuries. They've been moved to a local hospital for all necessary medical assistance, but reportedly are out of danger. Ritik Mondal is joining us live from that accident site. Ritik, take it away. We understand that the Railway Minister has now reached where you are.
Yes, definitely. As we speak, we can see that Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav just has arrived at the accident site, and now he is taking the and speaking to the railway authority and officials who have of this massive accident, claiming several lives and leaving several others injured. Now he is speaking to the officials, and possibly there could be several reasons behind this accident. One, possibly this human error cannot be the angle of a human error cannot be looked out over there, and we can see that several sketchy details are coming, that possibly that train, the goods train particularly, overshooted the signal it was given to it, and which is when that collided the passenger train, which was on board with passengers and heading towards Kolkata. Though one big relief is the rest of the train or the passengers are safe. They have no injuries, which is why they are now continuing their journey back to their home. Possibly their relatives are waiting at different locations and different stations there in Kolkata. But we can see that Ashwini Vaishnav, the Rail Minister, he has already arrived over here. We are also given to understand that any moment from now, sometime between this evening, Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, she will also arrive over here. We can see behind me as we speak, it's been a couple of hours past, but it's the as Met Department has already predicted that it can rain. It has predicted heavy rainfall in this part of North Bengal, possibly, which is why that the rescuers are not letting any stone unturned and trying to do its bit to as soon as intensify their rescue operation, because there are a mammoth task has been going on behind me. We can see that the prime measures are being taken as of now to clear these tracks. As we speak, we know we do understand this is one of a very important railway connection connecting northeast and the northern part of the state of West Bengal with the capital city Kolkata and the rest of the country, which is why possibly there are several trains which has been diverted to other directions and several remain cancelled. But as of now, it will take some more hours to clear both the tracks, up and down tracks. But the bigger questions remains that what exactly triggered that massive collision or massive accident, because we are given to understand primarily that train, the passenger train, passed the nearest possible station, which is a local station, and it is not far from the NJP station, the junction station. It is barely, we are currently standing from the accident site. You can see behind me the debris of this train, and this is barely 10 kilometers away from the NJP station. And this is the station, a very important junction station over as per the North and Frontier Railway is concerned. So it had set off its journey from that station, crossed at least 10 kilometers from NJP when this accident happened, and we can see that behind me debris are being cleared by JCB. Now, several bodies like
Okay.
NDRF, SDRF, BSF are also put in place, and they are also helping the railway authority to in this rescue operations. Back
So
to you.
hours on right now, efforts continue to clear the rail tracks of the debris left behind as a result of that tragedy. Ritik, I'm going to come back to you. Just give me a few moments as we take a look at all the reactions that have come in. The Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has reached the spot right now. But there are serious questions that the opposition is asking of the minister. They're demanding his resignation over this incident that's happened in Bengal that's led to 8 people losing their lives. The Congress, led by Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, have claimed utter mismanagement in the rail ministry in the last 10 years. The Congress, TMC, Uddhav Sena, RJD, the India bloc essentially is uniting right now, demanding Ashwini Vaishnav's resignation over this tragedy.
But this government is careful only to take so many measures about the election, how to go for hacking, how to go for manipulation, how to go for rig the election. And if the number one is the party to it, I'm not only telling the government who are the organizer, then where the country will go. Is it not the mockery? I think they should give more time for the governance, not for utterance.
लगातार एक के बाद एक ऐसे हृदय विदारक हादसों की एक लिस्ट बन गई है। कोरमंडल एक्सप्रेस उसमें थोड़े वक्त पहले ही हुआ था, लेकिन कोई पाठ सीखा हो सरकार ने, विभाग ने, मंत्री ने या मंत्रालय ने, वो देखने को नहीं मिलता। वही गैर जिम्मेदाराना बातें, वही गैर जिम्मेदाराना हरकतें। अब वहां जा रहे हैं मंत्री तो उसकी रील बनाएंगे और उसमें वाहवाही बटोरेंगे। अरे साहब, हम उस पार्टी से हैं जहां के मंत्री इस्तीफा दे देते थे जब रेल दुर्घटना होती थी।
ये तो मानवीय भूल हुई। ये तो पूरा सीधे जिम्मेदार है रेल विभाग, रेल का महकमा। 2 ट्रेनें लड़ गई। इसके पहले उड़ीसा में भी तो यही कुछ हुआ था। यानी कि ये रेल मंत्रालय बढ़े हुए बोझ को संभाल नहीं पा रहा है। रेल मंत्री जी, नैतिकता के नाते इस्तीफा दो।